In today's video, we will focus on crew currency in Leon software. Crew currency can be found in the admin panel, which you can access by clicking this cogwheel icon. Then, in the crew section, you can find crew currency. The crew currency panel contains some additional settings, where you can modify the behavior of a crew currency configuration, so you can count both pilots, like pilot taking off and pilot landing, toward landing and takeoff currencies, or count pilot monitoring toward landing and type of currencies, as well as calculate currency for freelancers. There is also a search bar, if you need to search for specific currencies. For example, 90 days currency 3 takeoffs. We will modify this one, to show you how to do it. Click on the pen icon, and here you have a rule which is enabled. You can disable it and enable it. You have a rule for 90 days currency, 3 takeoffs and landings, but you can easily modify it to become 60 days currency and 2 takeoffs and landings. Below, you can assign it to all crew that have ratings for Captain, Captain 2, Captain 3, and so on, or to a specific aircraft in your fleet. You can also select all or select none. Some additional rules are available under this cogwheel icon. These are rules for selected AOCs, for selected licenses, and even selected crew labels. Currency features will work properly only when journey logs are being added to Leon, and the field pilot flying has been filled in with pilot codes. Fill all the required information, and then landings and pilot flying fields. This can be found in mandatory or optional journey log fields, based on your individual settings. In the case where the first officer took over, and the captain landed, you should add crew codes in the field pilot flying as officer code/captain code. It works the other way around as well. After saving, a green dot will appear on the journey log column, if the required information is properly saved. Currency can be viewed in multiple ways. One is shown in the Ops view. When hovering the cursor over the crew member codes in crew columns, you will see its initial status. You may additionally click to expand the details. Green is OK, amber is close to expiration, red is expired. Please note that these currencies are shown per the date of the flight, not the current date. Additionally, if you add simulator duty by the Ops or crew module for currency purposes, you will be able to specify how many takeoffs, landings, night takeoffs, night landings, and holdings a pilot has done during one sim session, among other options available when creating simulators. The main way of monitoring current crewed currency is via Crew Module, Qualification section, Currency sub-panel. There, you can filter by crew members, crew labels, currency type, aircraft type, crew status, and also the expiry status of the currency. Another option for checking crew currency is going to the crew calendar and checking the dot near the crew member's name. There, you can see all the crew currencies with corresponding colors, green for OK, amber for close to expiration, and red to expire. You can also go to Reports, Crew Currency, and then select the filters you are interested in, and generate a report for the particular crew member. Crew currency is also influenced by experience found in the User Profile, Experience tab. Here, with the button Your Experience, we can enter the past experience of the user. We select the date, in our example, the 25th of July, and add duty time, block time, and pick time. Then, we select the aircraft type, in our example, Honda Jet. Next, we select the appropriate position and enter the takeoff number. In our example, it will be 3 takeoffs and landings, and 1 night takeoffs and landings. Lastly, we specify the number of flights. We can also add approaches to our table, but it is not necessary at this point. Here, we can see that this user's currency is in red, meaning that it is not current. After saving, we can see that the expiry date is the 24th of August and the currency is now in green.